it is arrangement of elements, okay, according to their properties. Basically, it is a table in which arrangement of elements. So what was the need? Okay, what was the need to classification of the element in periodic table or element of periodic table? What was the need? The need was periodic table. Basically, it is the element of elements. The need was on the basis of their chemical properties. On the basis of their similar properties. They udre ho gaya. On their similar properties. Okay. Some elements having their similar chemical properties. On that basis of scientists on that time do some classification so classification or do some arrangement for these elements. This is known as periodic table. At first, the periodic table, the law that was given by scientist Mendeleev. Okay, but before Mendeleev, we have to read about two more scientists arrange the elements according to their manner, and those two are first one is Dobereiner's triad law. Okay, first is Dobereiner's triad law. What it said? What it says? Dobereiner's triad, actually Dobereiner arranged the elements in a group of three elements in a three. Okay, Dobereiner found that found that elements could be arranged in a group of three elements. That's why it is known as triad law. Okay, that's why it is known as triad law. So in three elements, so that of three elements called triad in such a way that the middle element had an atomic weight almost the average of the other two. This was the Dobereiner's triad law. Okay. The Dobereiner's placed elements in a basically group of three elements. Okay. Group of three elements is known as triad. Okay. Dobereiner's basically arranged in a group of three elements that is known as triad in such a way that the middle element had atomic weight almost average of the other two. Let's suppose we are taking an example: lithium, sodium, potassium. Okay, lithium, atomic mass of lithium is 7. 3 is atomic number. 7. and atomic mass of potassium is 39. Atomic number is 19. So what will be the atomic mass of sodium? It will be the average. So atomic weight of sodium will be lithium plus potassium by 2 because it is average. So it will be basically 7 plus 39 by 2, that is 46 by 2, that is 23. And we know the atomic mass of sodium is 22.92. Okay, that is almost equals to 23, or we can write 23. So it was the Dobereiner-Strat law. Okay, but this Strat law never exist as long because some of the higher elements are do not follow this law. Okay, we are taking one more example. Suppose we are taking calcium, strontium, barium. So atomic mass of calcium is 40, atomic mass of barium is 137. So what will be the atomic mass of strontium? Strontium equals to calcium plus barium by 2. Calcium equals to 40. This is equals to 137 by 2. So this will be 160, sorry, 1, and that is 771 by 2. So it will be 88.5. Okay. And we know strontium atomic mass is near about 88. So Dobereiner basically arranged the elements in such a way that is, it is known as triad, and the atomic mass of the middle element is almost equals to average of the rest two. Okay, but this law was discarded after some time. Okay, so what was the reason to discard? Because after some time this was not valid. So reason to discard is reasons to discard this law. First reason is Dobereiner failed to arrange all the known elements in the form of triad. Okay, it fails to arrange all the known elements in the form of triad. ट्राइड के फॉर्म में सब प्लेस नहीं हो पाएंगे, कुछ एलिमेंट्स एक्सेप्शन में चले जाएंगे, मतलब हाई मॉलिक्यूलर एटॉमिक मास और सम मॉलिक्यूल्स अरेंज नहीं हो पा रहे. ठीक है, जैसे अगर हम लोग एग्जांपल ले ले तो सपोज फ्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन. So chlorine should be fluorine, and average of fluorine and bromine. We know average molecular mass of atomic mass of fluorine is 19, and for bromine it is 80. So it will be 99 by 2. So average is 45.5. Sorry, 49.5. Yes, 49.5. But we know that atomic mass of Cl is, but Cl equals to 35.5. 5, that is it not same. Okay, क्लियर है?
सर
हम्म
हम लोग को सर कब मीटिंग लीव करना पड़ेगा?
हाँ, और लिप कर सकते हो अब, स्कूल में क्लास है ना।
यस सर।
ठीक है, बस आज के लिए जो बरेनर्स ट्रायल लो ही बताएंगे, नेक्स्ट बात ही हो जाएगा। ऑल एफ पॉइंट
यस
लिख
सर।
लो, यहाँ पर हम डिस्कस कर दे रहे हैं। ऑल एफ पॉइंट लिख लो। सेकंड पॉइंट,
यस सर।
द लॉ
यस सर।
द लॉ द लॉ डिड नॉट फुल्ली अप्लाई द लॉ डिड नॉट फुल्ली अप्लाई छोटा छोटा लिख रहे हैं, याद रहेगा। द लॉ did not fully apply in the within the same family, within the same family। एक ही फैमिली में ही वो हमेशा एक टाइप से काम नहीं करेगा। ठीक है, तो डबल एन एस मेंडलिस फर्स्ट हम लोग तब पीरियड टेबल दिए थे, याद रखना। ठीक है, बट हम लोग उससे पहले भी दो पढ़ना जरूरी है, दैट इज डबल एन एस ट्राइड लॉ एंड नेक्स्ट डे स्टार्ट होगा न्यूलैंड्स ऑक्टेव लॉ। उसके बाद मेंडलिस पीरियड टेबल आएंगे। ठीक है, तो डाउट है आज की क्लास में?
नो सर।
ओके, ठीक है, तो फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास
बाय
में
सर।
मिलेंगे। बाय। Okay, you can leave meeting.